Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come and show you what I've been working on for Valentine's Day. It is a really cute box that I got about a year ago from AliExpress under Andy's store. And it's called a Happy Lunch Box, but it's basically just a big Happy Meal box. And this is what I came up with. Super cute. I got this from Michael's a couple years back. It was like a keychain, and I just brought all that they had because I thought it was cute. I used a Brenda Walton bow die. It's called the French bow die. On the side, I used a cut apart that I got out of the pack of paper. I'm gonna show it to you in just a minute. I used just a basic pink cardstock, and then I used a glitter for the handles. And when you open it up, what I did was I used another Sizzix Bigs die, and I put a really cute French fry box in it. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put candy in it, but I just put these little cute tags and little cut aparts that you could put in there. You could fit, I mean, quite a bit of stuff in the French fry box. Well, and it's not called, it's called a flower pocket, but it's basically just a French fry box, but they call it a flower pocket box. And I also, oh, this was another thing. I did use some Velcro dots to keep it shut, and I got my dots from the Dollar Tree. You get 20 for $1, and they're called fastener dots. I use those, and the die that I use, like I said, it is the Happy Lunch Box, and it comes with a ton of layering pieces. This is just the part that you're gonna put on your sides and on the top of it. It comes with the two main pieces. It comes with the handle. And then it also comes with other embellishments that you could put on it. A snowflake. I think this one says, do not open until December 25th. This one says celebrate. So it's a lot of, I mean, it's a real nice die set. It's huge. And I mean, you really get your money worth. I'm going to show you the paper pack that I used. Well, first, here is some of the embellishments that I used. And I got these last year, or maybe about 2 years ago at Michael's after Valentine's Day was over. I got them on clearance. And that's just some of the stuff. But you don't have to do this for Valentine's Day. I mean, you could do this box for Christmas, birthday. You could use it for anything. This is the French bow die that I used. And I'll put the link to buy this. I'll put it down in the description box at the bottom. And the other die that I used is, this is the the flower pocket box that I put in the inside. It's a real nice size. And then the paper pack that I used, I got it from Michael's about 2 years ago. It's the hashtag Awesome Valentine. And I got this one on clearance after Valentine's Day. So, and then of course you'll need glue, whatever you choose to use, glue, tape, and that's about it. I'm not going to go into detail on how I decorated the box, but I just want to show you how to put it together, because a lot of people will buy some dies and just, have to figure it out on their own if the company doesn't show them, how to do it. So first, what you'll need is the dies that you'll need to cut out to assemble the box. Ooh. You need to cut out 2 of these. You need to cut out 2 of these and 2 of these. And then the layering pieces, like I said, you don't have to use them to decorate your box, but you can if you want to. But you just have to cut out how many, sides that you want to decorate or cover with some other kind of accent paper. So what I did, I got all 4 of them cut out. And I like to lay mine in the order that they're supposed to be put together. And it's basically just a triangle part. And then you do a scallop, the triangle part, and then the scallop here. What you do, I've already went ahead and put my paper, not my paper, my double-sided tape on it, and you cover it on both parts of those tabs on the end. And then you do the same thing on that scallop part. You just make sure you put tape on that one. And it's the same thing for all of them. Just on those side tabs, you want to cover them with the glue or the double-sided tape. Once you cut them out, what you do is just take all of them and fold on that perforated edge. Make sure you fold everything. One thing I will say, be careful. Don't fold too hard, because you don't want to rip it or, you know, tear it up. It doesn't take much to for it to tear. After you've gotten everything folded in half or on the perforated lines, take your like your little pokey tool, or it just helps get that tape off easier. And what you want to do is take your tape off. And what you want to do is line up this line here and this line. You want to line those lines up together. Take your sticky, press it down. You want to do the exact same thing right here. Take your sticky and just fold it. I'm going to scoot this one over just a tad. There we go. So we got that. Now we want to move on and do the exact same thing for that one. And all you're doing is just going down the line and you line it just up, just exactly how you did those. I'm gonna peel your paper up. And once you get your parts cut out, I mean, it doesn't take but a second to get it put together. Exact same thing. All right. Now on this last piece, what we're gonna do is fold it over. And we're gonna peel that up. We're gonna peel that up. And all you do is fold it over. And we want these two parts to meet, because what we're trying to do is just close the whole box, and we're just going to assemble everything. And everything should line up if you got all of your other pieces together right. And what you can do is, I used double-sided tape, but first what I did was I folded it in, and I, you know, kind of gave myself an idea on where I needed to put my tape. So I know on this one, I need to put it here. So what you do is just take a piece of tape, glue whatever you're comfortable with using, or, you know, whatever. You don't have to use the double-sided tape. I just like it because it just seems stronger. And then I don't like for the glue to have to sit and wait for it to dry. You take your pokey tool, and then what you want to do is press it, but flip it over, and then press down in the middle of it, so that way you can make sure it's secure. And then what you can do is, at this point, you can fold your insides in. Now what I will say, and before you start putting it together, while we have it sitting down, laying down, and before we assemble, you can go ahead and add your layering pieces to it, like this. Or you could go ahead and attach the layer. If you do want to use that layering part, you can go ahead before assembling your box and go ahead and lay those down and go ahead and glue them or tape them on there, so that way you're not having to try to decorate your box while it's put together, because it's not that, you know, it's still paper. It's not going to be that sturdy. And that is pretty much it. After that, you got a happy lunch box. And like I said, you could do any holiday. You can do Christmas, birthday, Halloween. It's so much that you can do with this die and get your money's worth. I mean, it has to be one of my favorite dies that I've brought in a while. So I thank everybody for watching my video. I'm happy you tuned in. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, or if I went too fast, or if you would like to see me decorate it, just let me